Wala pang Miss Rachel. Nakangiti ka na dyan. Ayun na. Wait lang. Wala pa nga eh. Nanay mo siguro si Miss Rachel, no? Mama mo si Miss Rachel. Wala pa. Masyado bang masaya? Wait lang. Toddlers yun. Hindi na makakaintindi niyan eh. Tulan tayo sa littles. Songs for the little. Ito. Ito na.
To wake him up. On the count of 3, let's say, wake up, Elmo. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Elmo.
Wake up.
Hi, Elmo. Good morning. It's time for school. Let's show Elmo the way to get ready. This is the way that we get dressed. We get dressed. We get dressed. This is the way that